Hello, my name is Damien from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building my ATST from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. But before we get into that, let me let that intro roll, and we'll get started, shall we? Let's. Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my ATST from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. So, if you have not seen my mock spotlight, please check that out. I would highly recommend it. And without further ado, let's get started on this, shall we? So, let's first take a quick look at it via the views, and yeah. We have the front view, back view, left view, right view, bottom view, and of course the top view. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? So this will probably be a quick one. We're going to need 2 ratchet joints, and there will be, and I will come back and I'll figure out the angle for them. I want to be sure I know exactly how I'm doing this. Okay then. I'm spacing one out a little farther right now. Just because I have to have it in like a weird setup. Now we have another set. Before I continue on, let me check how the angle is on this. 70. Now we need to add another. I just want to be sure I'm placing it all in the right location. Yes, indeed. Uh, 110, okay then. We're going to need a plate, then we're going to need a hinge plate and a clip. If you've built my ATDT, you may notice this similar structure. That's because that's what I did. I basically followed the similar build structure for the legs, and I kind of just went up from there because why use something that isn't useful? Why use something that hasn't been proved effective already? Okay, we're going to need a plate, 2x2, and a plate 1x1, like so. Okay, we'll need brick 1x1s. Okay. I just need to make sure I knew what I was getting. I mean, whatever. Okay, so plate 2x2. And then we need a brick 1x2. Like so. And that is essentially the assembly for the walker of the legs. We need a plate a stud and a plate 1x3 and a binocular. Let's move this back a bit. Like that. That's all we're going to need so far for this step, and that's what you should have. Okay. We need a plate, a brick 1x2, 1x1 with 2 studs, a Technic brick, and a brick 1x1 with 4 studs. Oh no, wait, we also need this. Then you attach all that on top of that. Okay, wedge plates, 2x2, and a... Okay then. We'll need the 2x3 wedge plates. Let me move this down a bit. Wait. 1x2, 1x2. And then a modified plate on top. We need 2x2 plates. Okay, so we'll need 2 1x2 plates with 1 stud, 1x2 tiles, and a round stud. Alrighty. I was just getting a feel earlier for what was going on, you know, what we were going to be doing next. You know, I kind of wanted to get that feel. Technic brick. Alright. Okay. So we need another Technic brick, 1x1. We need a modified plate 1x2 with the rail. And along with the clip, this. And then we're going to need a flag, which I gotta remember where you would find that here. And a flag 2x2 square. We want that looking like that. Right now. Okay, now we need two inverted dishes. Two dishes, really. 2 by 2. And you want them looking like that. We're gonna need a megaphone, a round 1 by 1 plate, and a tile 1 by 2, a lever, small, and a lever base. I'm gonna get that in there as far as I can. Yeah, wait, I put that on backwards. My bad. Hang on one second. And there you go. That looks a lot better. Now we're going to need that lever small and that in black, like so. And we're going to need these slope 1 by 2 flares with the grill on them. And there you guys go. Your fully built AT-ST. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making this for you guys. This is a good model, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what model you would like for me to build. I would be happy to build that for you guys. And please remember to check out my socials. Link to those in the description down below. And my friend's novel Rise, link to that's also in the description down below. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember, man, you're the forest, and the forest will always be with you always. And I'll see you all in the next video. Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot.